Well, good morning, everybody. It is Sunday morning. I got to look at my calendar here. The 17th. I should know that because it was my birthday yesterday, and it was the 16th. And wow, the response I got. I was absolutely awestruck by the amount of my viewers, their comments, and wishing me a happy birthday and so many more. And I agree, I would like to have a lot more. I'm enjoying life so much here that, oh, the more years, the merrier, I guess. It's hard work, but it's fun too. What more can I say than to everybody that responded, to everybody that viewed that video, and a short video indeed that it was, and my wife even got in on it a little bit, which was pretty good. It sure added to it. Just thank you, everybody, for all the well wishes, for all the happy birthdays. Like I said, I was completely awestruck by the response and the overwhelming response that came in. I tried answering everybody, and that at least with a thank you, more so for some of the comments and that. So I hope that it was sufficient enough, and I hope the people that did comment kind of go back through and read some of the responses and that are there. I would hope the same for everybody that viewed that video and is viewing this video here this morning, Sunday morning, that you really made my day yesterday, more than my trip to Jollibee's and the 2 yummy burgers that I ate. And of course, being with my wife all day, and we're together every day, so that's not unusual at all. But the overwhelming response just kind of swept me off my feet, and as I answered back the comments and that, I realized what a positive attitude there still is in the world among all the negative things that we hear every day, and the news is full of them, and I get bored with them, and I kind of shut it off because I'm tired of hearing it. That there is so much positive attitude from so many people out there in the world, and we need to keep on passing that on. The joy of celebration, of just celebrating something very simple as my birthday, and that we need to just keep passing it on. And along with the humor and the fun and the laughter, it made my day, and I'm sure it helped to make everybody's day that viewed the video. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. God bless every single one of you, and I hope your blessings are as rich and as prosperous and as many as Beth and I have received here in the Philippines. So just a super thank you. Maraming salamat.